Hello friends, today I'm showing how I made these pretty bun in the oven baby shower balloons. I start by making clusters of 8 balloons. I use 7 12-inch and 1 18-inch in each cluster. After I blow the balloons up, I press down to let a little air out. This makes a really nice round balloon. The gold balloons come in 12 and 16-inch balloons. I'm tying these clusters together by using the neck-to-neck method. I tied 4 clusters together and then attached them to the stand using clips and 260 balloons. I decided I didn't like the stone color next to the white, so I cut that cluster off and then I added a gold cluster instead. The gold cluster I made up of 6 12-inch balloons. The next 3 clusters are made up of 6 12-inch balloons. And the very last cluster on the top is made up of 4 12-inch balloons. I connect the top and bottom sections of the balloons with a 260 balloon. I'm making clusters of 6 balloons for the bottom of the other side of the stand. I'm using an 18-inch balloon in the bottom cluster and the top cluster, and in the middle cluster I just used 12-inch balloons. I made 2 clusters of balloons, 4 white balloons and 4 sand balloons to add to the bottom of the balloon garland, just to add some width. I added a gold cluster to the bottom as well, but I decided it was too big, and it didn't look right, so I removed it. Now it's time to make the filler balloons. I take 2 small quads, tie them together with the half of a 260 balloon. This way it's easy to stretch them around the bigger balloons. The filler balloons always make such a difference. It just finishes off the look. Even if I'm not sure about the look of the balloons at first, I add the little balloons and it always makes it look so much nicer. Might notice in the final picture that I added a 16-inch gold balloon to the side just to add some extra dimension. I don't know how I didn't end up with that in the video, but I just wanted to add that in. I didn't get video of how I make the sign, but I made the sign out of poster board and cardstock. I printed it out with my Cricut and I glued the gold letters onto the poster board. I punched 2 holes on each side and added fishing line, and I tied the fishing line to my plastic clips and just attached them to the stand. If you're still here watching, I hope you really liked this video and found it helpful. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.